A few days ago, I took a trip to Amanchor with a friend to explore the famous Amanchor Cave in Ebonyi State. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Today I'll be sharing with you guys my Amanchor experience and guide to Amanchor Cave. Amanchor is a community in Etiti Edda, Afikpo South Local Government Area of Ebonyi State. The community is about 2 hours drive from Abakaliki, 35 minutes drive from Afikpo, and about 3 hours 15 minutes drive from Enugu. We started our journey from Enugu. But we went through Ogwu Isiagu Road, which seems to be the closest route to Afikpo from Enugu. We stopped at Oso Junction and took a bike to Amanchor. It took us about 35 minutes to get to the community, which was situated on a hilltop.
Okay, nka. Apa ada mah? Oh, dah. Oh, dah lu.
The journey wasn't really that easy. At a point, we had to come down from our bike and continue the journey on foot. Finally, we made it to the community, and the view from the hilltop was simply breathtaking. The people were nice and very welcoming. They took us to a hut where they offered us a white chalk nzu as a symbol of peace. We interacted with the villagers, but before we were taken to the cave, we were asked to present a kola nut and a drink. Although we didn't come with any, but we made arrangement for that before we were guided to the cave. It took us about 5 minutes from the community to the cave, and finally we made it to Amanchor Cave, a beautiful and breathtaking wonder of nature. On entering the cave, the first thing you will see are bats, which the communities refers to as the cave security. After exploring the first compartment of the cave, we made our way to the second compartment, which the community referred to as Imobi. This compartment has an open vent, which was believed to have been carved out by nature.
Bats. Yeah.
Just want to see all the roots.
Another route connects the village.
It's not that accessible though.
That place is good. What do you feel? So what's on Kabeka and Kanwe event? The journey continues. Yeah, another bus sanctuary. Oh boy. Wow. This is your biome. Okay. The resting place. Oh, so beautiful.
The banner nice baby. As in at the banner, but we will as a bank was going and the barn whereby not get an email about the Ebonyi states, Afikpo south in Amanchor, the bank Obabo, Akolo Chineke, where one mother for blood, where factory and of 4 blocks, 81, or just all not Chineke, only child, Jotean of the Amanchor, where I was here. Buying and what they can, the government is the letter here, he make a mepoya. Who says Yagoba, where he bear the one also. Yobo da, he just not and then he mat. Way here and a book, away ought to be here. mineral resources, enwetara oil ebe a. Ọtụtụ onweghị onye ndị gọọmenti ndị bịagoro bịa sị ka emepe ya ọgbata ọgbọrọ otu a ọtọ. Ayọ a na-ayọ gọọmenti ha biko yuzukwe ndị abụ ndị ọgbado obi ha ka a na-emepụcha na ndị ala Igbo ihe Chineke nyere ndị ala Igbo ha soro ha bịa emepe Amanchor. Ọsọ bụghị Amanchor sọnsọ bụ ebe ha ga na-enye ihe ọ ga na-enye ma ndị obodo abụọ Edda ma Ebonyi steeti ma Nigeria ma outside ego ga-esi ebe a na-akpụ na-aga ebe dị iche iche ọnọdụ akpụrụ ọlụ aka Chineke oji gọzie.
In addition to that, ọ dịgo ụmụ ewepụ ọwụ ebe a papụrụ ebe a ga-adosa okwute ya ebe ọ dịburu a ga-egosikwa ya unu ebe unu chọ wetago anyị pụọ egosi unu all size of ebe a ka ha wepụrụ ya anyị amaghị ọkịrịchọ wepụrụ ya ọ bụrụ mmadụ papụrụ ya. Yes. I say ebe a pụọ anyị na-ala egosi unu ebe anyị ga-adosa
rooms ebe dị iche iche ọzige ma ọnọtọ na-abụ mmadụ rụchaa ụlọ enwe palọ ebe ga-anọ nabata ọbịa. O nwecha rooms ebe dị iche iche nwee ihe na-eche ọgba bụ ndị olu oyibo na-akpọ bat na-abụ ịchọrọ ịbata ha la ọ ya bụ ihe mbụ ihe nke ụzọ ọ na-ebuchi ibu bata ha lọbịa Chineke mere ihe
Katika ambia kabla alise ya kani chana ode
ebele ni bali fa pa
I thought we were talking to your
After exploring the cave, we made our way out and visited the Hanging Rock, which was believed to be the cover of the vent at the cave. This is the vent at the cave. This is said to be the cover. At the foot of the rock are old pots, said to represent every male child born of the community in the olden days. So, after visiting the Hanging Rock, it was time to leave Amanchor, but not before we were taken to a section of the community with the most breathtaking view.